Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm sitting out in my backyard right now, and as you can see, I have just this big mess of my garden hose sitting out behind me. So I bought this, I guess, hose reel set so I can take care of that because I hate walking out in my yard and seeing stuff like this. So for this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you so you can see what comes in the box. Personally, I don't know what exactly I was thinking. Maybe I wasn't, but I didn't expect the box to be so big. I guess it makes perfect sense because we're talking about, an entire garden hose that it comes with that fits inside. So I just want to do an unboxing for you so you can see exactly what comes in the box so you know what to expect. Right on top, of course, you have your manual. And then you have what looks like, I believe, would be the mounting piece for it. Foam blocks, of course. And then inside, and guys, this thing is pretty heavy. So there's the actual reel itself, and then this is a sprayer nozzle that it looks with, or that it comes with. It's really nice and cushiony. This feels really nice. I'm impressed. I didn't expect this piece of it to be so nice. So let me throw this out of the way for now, and then take the hose reel out of the bubble wrap. All right, guys, so here's the actual hose reel that comes in the box. And I guess in my mind, I don't know, I wasn't realizing that it came with the hose itself. Initially, my thought was that it would be a reel for my existing hose, but so if you didn't read the description or didn't realize that at first, now you know. So anyway, this is really cool because I actually like it better that it does come with the hose wrapped up inside of it. And you can see it stops very easily. So as you uncoil it, it goes, let me see, about, it seems like it lets you pull it out about a foot or so before it locks, and then when you want to reel it back in, just do like a quick pull and release and it reels all back in. So that's really cool. And it looks like it has like a built-in, like, kind of the swivel feature guy right here. It's like as you reel and unreel the hose, this kind of goes back and forth to make sure you get a nice even coil on your hose there as it goes back in. So that's really cool. I really like that. It does have a handle, so if you want to take it off the mounting thing and move it around the yard, that's cool. And then this is going to be the end that hooks up to your actual spigot. So you get, I don't know, a few feet of lead. So it has to be mounted within a few feet of your actual spigot, or else I guess you could get an extension to put it somewhere else. Just for me, I plan on mounting it fairly close to the spigot, and I'll show you that when I actually get it done. But and then again, this is what's going to mount to your wall or to your house, whatever you're mounting it to. And then it's just going to sit inside of there. So that's really cool. So anyway, guys, again, just wanted to show you what you're getting so you know what to expect.